Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The 9th-4 is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings.
Okay, this is our row and this is our start ring. So ring, chain, 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 ring, and so on. And this row is quite simple as well. The only moment I want you to pay attention is just make sure you do not miss these two joint picots. So we have one joint picot for this ring and two picots for this one. So you need to make 6 double stitches, joint picot here, 2 double stitches, joint picot, and 6 double stitches. And this is the result. This is our 9th row. And again, it's too wavy, but we will iron the doily again.
If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. And as usual, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!